How to use the hierarchy tab to visualize OKR alignments. I've already navigated to the objectives and key results screen within the UpRaise app from left navigation. And in there, I've opened the hierarchy tab. Let's first understand the use of this hierarchy tab. In here, you will also notice there are three options. There is this hierarchy indicated by H. You can switch to an explorer view, and you can even switch to a roadmap view right now, which is in beta. For the sake of this video, we will focus on hierarchy and explorer view. We'll create a new video for the roadmap view once it is out of beta. The purpose for having this hierarchy view, explorer view within UpRaise is easy visualization of alignment amongst different levels of OKRs. We'll go through the different scenarios one by one. Let us first understand what filters are available on the screen. Firstly, you'll notice at the top, you are able to decide what data points should be displayed within this hierarchy and explorer view. Should the key results be displayed? Should the KR actions be displayed? If there are any epics associated as key results, then should the children issues be included in this hierarchy view? Same for subtasks. If a normal story, if a normal issue is linked as a key result, do you want corresponding subtasks to be made visible on this hierarchy view? And finally, do you want the progress calculation configurations to be made visible on this hierarchy and explorer view? You'll notice by default, there are a bunch of filters applied already on the screen. Right now, what's happening is the objective cycle filter is applied, and the root node, the top level node, is name of the organization, followed by the top company level objectives that are coming from this objective cycle. I can then go ahead and click any of these arrows that are displayed in here. You'll notice this 3 indicates that there are 3 contributing items below this objective. Even for this company objective, you'll notice there are 3 contributing items. I can further expand any of these and see further 3 contributing items. Now it depends on how many contributing items you have in place, but this can go on and on right up until the lowest level in the hierarchy. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. You can also expand the hierarchy by one level in one click, rather than clicking the arrows one by one. Let me quickly refresh it to showcase how it works. Now, in here, you've got only the top level visible, right? If I expand it by one level, the second level objectives are displayed across all the top objectives. I can expand it further by one level, and you'll notice the last level is visible. In here, you'll notice this one seems to have another contributing item. So if I were to expand it further, it will end up showing the lowest item in the hierarchy, right? You can search by objective, you can search by owner, you can search by team. So let's start by searching with objective. So I'll pick up the objective that's already visible on the screen. So you'll notice now this becomes the top level node, which can be further expanded right up until its lowest contributing items. I can then search to a specific owner. Let's say I want to look at my own OKRs. the image seems to be broken. We'll take care of that separately, but you'll notice it immediately tells and shows only those objectives that are assigned to the selected owner. When I click on expand, again, this will end up showing the relevant items. I can search by team. Let's say I want to look at the marketing team. So these are the 3 objectives that the marketing team is working on. I can expand this similar to how we did before. So these are the 3 search by filters available. Then obviously you can search by objective cycles, and then you can search by top level objective statuses. This was hierarchy view. The same data will be used for displaying the explorer view. So let me just clear this out, and you will notice you see the top level node as the company name. I can then expand this one to display the next level of contributing items. I can further expand it and it will appear. It will expand to display additional items at the next level. I can go on right up until the lowest item is displayed on the screen. Right? So this is how you utilize the hierarchy view and explorer view to visualize alignments amongst different levels of OKRs within UpRaise. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.